If you've been looking for a stylish and safe way to display your treasured timepieces, this video is for you. What's up guys, it's Mr. Gumbatron and welcome back to another video. If you're new around here, my name is Lex, I'm an architect and I share men's fashion, design, horology and lifestyle inspiration. This channel is a place to be inspired, to find connection and to explore the new frontiers of self-expression. So if you like this style of content, please consider subscribing for more. Now let's get on with the video. As a watch collector and watch enthusiast, if you're like me and spend copious amounts of time scrolling social media, the chances are you may have come across the Swedish brand The Watch Stand and their premium line of horology lifestyle products. So today I'm going to share with you a couple of watch stands, their unique features, and also why I've been using these for many years now. Last year, the watch stand rebranded as Top Wristonomy, also known simply as Wristonomy. The brand gained notable reputation amongst horology enthusiasts and the watch collecting community over the years, largely from a strong digital footprint on Instagram. Many highly respectable collectors and industry personalities are often seen displaying their treasured timepieces proudly on their premium watch stands. Wristonomy manufactures not simply portable mantles to display your timepieces, but what I refer to as objects of desire. These are alluring and stylish accessories for the homes of people who love all things watches. The watch stand makes for a stylish addition to your nightstand, side table, desk, or bookcase, as you store your daily watch overnight and in between wears. It's a beautiful decor piece for your home. The sleek and minimal design is patented, and the brand has since released two models within their lineup, the Watch Stand 1.0 and, as you guessed it, the Watch Stand 2.0. Both models come in both single and duo configurations, which denominates the number of timepieces that you can display on them. The duo stand fits two timepieces comfortably on a soft cushion pad, while the single watch configuration is perfect for your daily timepiece, or even for you to take with you whilst traveling. Both models feature genuine Italian leather cushions, a marble base, and anodized steel hardware. There is a nice weight to the stand, largely due to its solid base, which feels highly reassuring so you don't have to worry about knocking over the stand by accident. There are also rubber feet at the corners of the base to keep the stand in its precise place, to avoid any mishaps. Handcrafted in Europe with the finest natural hides and stone from Italy. There are different base finishes to choose from, as well as several leather choices including exotic options. Wristonomy proudly offers a curation of collaboration designs with industry personalities and brands that are even more unique in terms of materiality and customization, only available in limited production numbers. Some of these include watch stands for Audemars Piguet as well as wrist check. Speaking of branding, there are no obvious logos on the range of products. Just how I like it. On the watch stand, the brand logo is engraved on a plaque which is fixed to the bottom side of the base, away from anyone's eyes. I appreciate the "if you know" approach here. However, some of the transition models of the watch stand that were manufactured during when the business was rebranded to Wristonomy feature the top Wristonomy logo engraved on the stand. But I have been told that they will be phased out very soon. I wonder if this makes these stands more collectible, just like how transitional models of watches do in the realm of collecting. If you are subscribed to this channel, I have a special promo code for you to enjoy on any of the Wristonomy products featured in this video. I'll leave a link in the comment section down below. As a person that greatly appreciates all things understated, I am enamored by the stealthy all-black version, with its uniform and unassuming aesthetic. It really allows my timepiece to take center stage. Now on to the watch stand 2.0, which features a newly designed split offset frame. The vertical support is one of a more refined aesthetic over the original version, which favors simplicity. The frame appears to be inspired by the design expression of an open bridge inside a watch movement. As with the original design, the placement of the vertical support on one side allows easy access to valet your timepieces. The watch stand will satisfy the taste of any discerning watch owner. And it will fit seamlessly into any interior and lifestyle. Trust me, I am an architect. Besides looking great, the watch stand helps to prevent scratches and blemishes that build up when putting your watch down on a hard surface. Something that we rarely think twice about. If you are traditionally a watch roll type of person, the watch stand also manufactures premium leather watch rolls in various colorways and sizes. They also make beautiful valet trays in leather and suede for your watches and random lifestyle trinkets. Whether it be keys, jewelry, sunglasses, loops, or even cigar lighters. It's a great way to store these little trinkets. Crafted from the finest materials, the Wristonomy watch stand doubles as a unique decor piece for your home. Look after your treasured timepieces and display them in style. And mind you, the watch stand is also a very stylish way to display your timepiece for watch photography. So there you have it, my review of the watch stand. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found the video helpful, please give it a like. There'll be plenty more watch related content coming soon. So if you haven't joined our community, please consider subscribing for more. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, dress well, drink well, live well. Ciao.